Hi everyone, here is a step-by-step guide on how to hide followers on Facebook. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video for more videos. So to begin with, you tap on the Facebook app icon on your iPhone to open it. You make sure your account is logged in. Then you tap on the three horizontal lines, that is the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. The Settings and Privacy section, you tap on Settings. Now you scroll down under the Audience and Visibility section. When you're in the Audience and Visibility section, you tap on How People Find and Contact You. Then you tap on Who Can See Your Friend List. As you can see, so you choose the Only Me option to make your friend list visible only to you. Then you return to the privacy settings and you scroll down and tap on Followers and Public Content. Followers and Public Content, still under the Audience and Visibility section. Followers and Public Content. Then under Who Can Follow Me, as you can see, under the Who Can Follow Me section, you select Friends, Public or Others to ensure only your friends can follow you. Though mine is a professional profile, so profiles and professional modes are set to public alone, so anyone can follow you. But if it is not in a professional mode, then you can change the options to friends. You can select friends to ensure that only your friends can follow you. So this limits your followers to people you know. Hope you enjoyed this video. By following these steps, you can effectively control and hide your followers on Facebook. See you in the next video.